And that really shows when you start doing comparative tests, looking at how well it picks up on hard floors against other cordless machines and even some corded machines. Let's put down some fine dust and try them out. So it's hardly picking anything up. That's leaving loads behind as well. Much better. So the combination of the V6 motor, the two-tier cyclones and the carbon fibre bristles means we can achieve really effective fine dust pickup on hard floors. So when we designed our latest cordless machine, we spent a lot of time looking at all the different elements that go in the machine to make sure that we position them right to make it feel really nice and easy to use. We put the motor and the batteries and the cyclone all up at the top and the cleaner head down at the bottom. And because of the way the leverage works, it means that actually the weight is up near your hand, so the centre of gravity of the machine is here. So that means it's quite light in your hand and easy to use. So if I put the weight down towards the end of the rod and then try and lift it up, that's very heavy in my hand. But if I move the weight back up towards where my hand is gripping it, it's then much, much easier to lift. Other cordless machines are nowhere near as versatile. You have to remove the handheld unit, but then I have to reach right up, though I'm quite tall, or reach right down. It's nowhere near as convenient as our machine. And corded machines are no better. They tend to be heavier in the hand, and then you've got the cord coming with you everywhere. So this one has the weight in the hand, but the whole machine is quite a bit heavier than ours, so it's still not very nice to use when you're trying to go up high. So after you've used it, you have to wind up all that cord. Which again, isn't very convenient. So when you've got no cord, you can just get everywhere. You don't have to worry about anything trailing behind you or knocking anything off a table. It's completely convenient. And then as well as taking the head off and reaching up in high spots, you can use the machine as a handheld. Really quick and easy to use. The vacuum cleaner is designed so that the airflow goes through the head and sucks up the dirt into the machine. So the design of the head is critical to how well the machine works. Now obviously you need really good suction to make sure that you're taking the dust away from the floor up into the machine, into the cyclone. But also the design of the head is critical so that you really get the dirt out of the carpet or hard floors. And that's what this test is all about, showing how well it picks up very fine dust off hard floors. There's almost no dust left, it's nearly all been picked up. Let's try another cordless machine doing exactly the same test. Well, on the sides it's left a strip of dust that's untouched by the cleaner head, and where it has tried to pick the dust up, it's left a lot of residue. You can see there's quite a lot of dust still in the cleaner head, which hasn't actually been sucked up into the machine yet, which is just dropping out onto the floor. And also you can see on either side there's quite a wide gap. There's not enough suction at the head to suck the dust in, which is why it's left these stripes at either side. So we have a look at our head. The dust's been sucked straight up into the cyclone. And you can see underneath the design of the head there are two types of bristles on the brush bar. The purple ones are nylon and they're designed to get very good pickup on carpet. And the black filaments are carbon fibre. And they're incredibly fine and have sort of anti-static properties, which means they're very good at picking up the very fine dust off hard floors. Additionally, the detail of the head at either side, it's very narrow, which means the airflow can come straight in from the side, and that picks up the dust right to the very edges of the track, so you're getting full width cleaning.